Today, you will learn how to save a Word document as a JPEG using a free online tool. No software installation required. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. In Microsoft Word, documents are saved as .docx files, but sometimes you need an image of your document. That's where JPEG conversion helps. Open any browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Go to Google and search for Word to JPEG. Open the website wordtojpeg.com. This is a free online converter. On the website, click Upload Files. Select your Word document, click Open. Your file will start uploading. This tool allows files up to 50 megabytes. After uploading, the website will automatically convert each page of your Word document into a JPEG image. Wait a few seconds for the process to complete. Once the conversion is done, you will see a download button on the file thumbnail. If your document has multiple pages, click Download All. A zip file will be downloaded to your computer. Go to the folder where the zip file was downloaded. Right-click the zip file, click Extract All, open the extracted folder. Inside, you will find all pages saved as separate JPEG images. That's it. Your Word pages are now images. You cannot edit text in them unless you convert them back using OCR tools. So keep your original Word file safe. Now you can turn any Word document into images in minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials.